हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल फाइनेंशियल लेसन्स विद संचित जरतारे। और आज मैं आपके साथ फाइनेंशियल लेसन नंबर 5 शेयर करने जा रहा हूँ फ्रॉम द बुक थिंक एंड ग्रो रिच रिटन बाय नेपोलियन हिल। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। सो द फाइनेंशियल लेसन नंबर 5 इज स्पेशलाइज्ड नॉलेज, पर्सनल experience or observation. The fourth step to riches. There are two kinds of knowledge. One is general, the other is specialized. General knowledge, no matter how great in quantity or variety it may be, is of but little use in the accumulation of money. The faculties of the great universal possess in the aggregate, particularly every form of general knowledge known to civilization. They specialize in teaching knowledge, but they do not specialize in the organization or the use of knowledge. Knowledge will not attract money unless it is organized and intelligently directed through practical plan of action to the definite end of accumulation of money. Lack of understanding of this fact have been the source of confusion to millions of people who falsely believe that knowledge is key, knowledge is power. It is nothing of the sort. Knowledge is only potential power. It becomes power only when if it is organized in definite plans of actions and directed to a definite end. The missing link in all system of education known to civilization today may be found in the failure of education institutions to teach their students how to organize and use knowledge after they acquire it. सो इसके अंदर यही बताने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि नॉलेज भी दो तरह की होती है, एक जनरल नॉलेज होती है और एक स्पेशलाइज टाइप की नॉलेज होती है। तो जो ये हमेशा आपको कहा जाता है कि नॉलेज ताकत है, बट ऐसा नहीं है। नॉलेज एक पोटेंशियल पावर है जो सिर्फ ताकत तभी बनती है जब उसे एक ऑर्गेनाइज डिफिनिट प्लान ऑफ एक्शन में इस्तेमाल किया जाता है। सो मैनी पीपल, कई लोग होते हैं ये एज्यूम करते हैं कि हेनरी फोर्ड, many people makes assuming because Henry Ford had but little schooling, he is not a man of education. Those who make this mistake do not know Henry Ford, nor do they understand the real meaning of the word educate. The word is derived from the word from the Latin educo, meaning to educe, to draw out, to develop from within. An educated person is not necessarily one who has abundance of general or specialized knowledge. Educated people have developed the faculties of their minds so that they may acquire anything they want or its equivalent without violating the rights of others. Henry Ford's come well within the meaning of this definition. During World War I, a Chicago newspaper published certain editorials in which, among other statements, Henry Ford was called an ignorant pacifist. Mr. Ford objected to the statement and brought a suit against the paper for labeling him. When the suit was tried in the courts, the attorney for the paper pleaded justification and placed Mr. Ford himself on the witness stand for the purpose of proving to the jury that he was ignorant. The attorney asked Mr. Ford a great variety of questions, all of them intended to prove by his own evidence that while he might possess considerable specialized knowledge pertaining to the manufacturers of cord, he was in the main ignorant. Mr. Ford, Mr. Ford, finally being tired of this line of questioning, in reply to particularly offensive question, he leaned over, pointed his finger at the lawyer who asked the question, and said, "If I should really want to answer the foolish question you have just asked, or any of the other question you have been asking me, let me remind you that I have a row of electric push buttons on my desk, and by pushing the right button I can summon to my aid people who can answer any question I desire to ask concerning the business to which I am devoting most of my efforts. Now will you kindly tell me why I should clutter up my mind with general knowledge for the person of being able to answer questions when I have the people around me who can supply any knowledge I require?" There certainly was a good logic to that reply. The answer floored the lawyer. Every person in the courtroom realized it was the answer not of an ignorant man, but of a man of education. So इसके अंदर ये समझाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि इसके अंदर ये समझाने की कोशिश कर रहे थे कि आपके पास भले ही स्पेशलाइज नॉलेज, जनरल नॉलेज कितनी भी हो, लेकिन अगर आपके पास कोई प्लान ऑफ एक्शन नहीं होगा तो आप कभी भी सक्सेसफुल नहीं बन पाएंगे. इफ़ यू लाइक दिस लेसन, प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब. थैंक यू.